Screenshot, the screen capture and screen recording application, was introduced with Mac's Mojave operating system. It offers a versatile menu with various screen capture and recording options. Click on the screenshot icon to activate the menu bar. You can access it from the dock, from the launcher, or by using the key commands. Shift plus Command plus 5. Screenshot offers 3 screen capture options and 2 screen recording options. The screenshot menu bar also offers an options menu with choices of alternate save locations, delayed timer, and other useful settings. The exit button will close the menu bar and exit the program before recording or screen capture begins. It will not be available to stop or save a recording in progress. Capture entire screen. When you select Capture entire screen, a camera icon will appear in place of the pointer. Click anywhere on the screen to make the capture. Capture selected window. Selecting this option requires that you place the camera icon over the selected window and click to make the capture. Capture selected portion. Draw a bounding box around the area you wish to capture and press the capture button. Record entire screen. Click on the record button to start movie recording. If you set the 5 or 10-second timer delay in the options menu, the camera icon will appear. Click anywhere on the screen to start the timer countdown. Record selected portion. Select the area of your screen that you want to record and press the record button. Screenshot recordings will save as a QuickTime movie with the extension .mov. To end a screen recording session in Screenshot, click on the Stop Recording icon in the upper right area of the computer's menu bar. Exploring the Options menu in the Screenshot menu bar. Click on Options to reveal the Preference Settings menu. The Options menu is divided into 3 basic categories: Save to Locations, Timer Delay, Preference Options. You can save to the desktop, to the Documents folder, or to the Downloads folder, which can be accessed from the dock. All 3 locations can also be accessed from the Finder window. Saving to the clipboard will keep the copied item ready to paste. It will remain ready until another item is copied in its place. Saving to Mail will open the Mail application program and open a new Mail window with the saved graphic, ready to send. Saving to Messages will open the Message application program and open a new message with the saved graphic, ready to send. Saving to Preview will open the Preview application program and open a new page with the saved graphic. Saving to Other Location will open the Finder window and allow you to choose a custom location to save the graphic. With none selected in the timer options, there will be no delay when the capture button is pressed. You have the choice of a 5 or 10-second delay before recording begins. There are 3 application preference options included in this menu. Show floating thumbnail. Remember last selection. Show mouse pointer. Show floating thumbnail will place a thumbnail of the captured graphic in the lower right of your screen for approximately 5 seconds. During this time you can click on the thumbnail and it will open in a markup window. If you right-click on the floating thumbnail, it will reveal a menu with options for saving, opening, showing in Finder, deleting, markup, and closing the file. Remember last selection will remember and repeat the last bounding box you created for screen capture. It will retain the size and remain in the same location for consecutive captures. Show mouse pointer will include your mouse pointer as part of the screen capture, considering it is within the bounds of the captured area. This option is only available for screen recording and capture entire screen. Thank you for watching. If there are other Mac system or application software issues that you would like to see presented, please let us know in the comments.